Weather Bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge. Flash flood watch in effect until 1 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood watch for portions of east central Ohio and Pennsylvania, including the following areas in east central Ohio: Columbiana, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Fayette, Fayette Ridges, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Pennsylvania, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Washington, Westmoreland and Westmoreland Ridges. Until 1 a.m. Monday, thunderstorms across the region this afternoon and tonight will be capable of producing torrential downpours, with rainfall rates in excess of 3 to 4 inches per hour. This could result in localized areas of flash flooding as well as rapid rises in streams and creeks. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.